IVF, how to make it more affordable? Because when we start doing the financial counseling, it becomes very difficult for the patient because many times the patient can't afford the IVF package. So definitely there are ways in how we can decrease the cost. So first and foremost, what we can do, because there are chances of your conceiving in a single cycle IVF also. So we can go for natural cycle IVF. Means the one egg that you are producing, that only we can fertilize and put it back in you. So that reduces the cost of freezing and the cost of ovulation induction injections. Secondly, we can go for mini IVF cycles. Means the stimulation is being done but on a lower scale, because we are not planning that we are going to freeze your eggs or make extra embryos, so that we can close the cycle in one go only. And there are other ways also that we can decrease the cost of the IVF cycle. So for that, the patient has to be mentally prepared, because then they need to know that we are not going to put the freezing cost, and then we are not going to make the extra eggs. So that way, if the patient is mentally prepared, then there is no issue, because if the patient is young and they have got good AMH, good like semen quality, and there is only a tubal factor, or there are unexplained causes, in that patient cases the patient might go for affordable IVF cycles. There are many options in which we can go for the conventional IVF or we can go for the affordable IVF, but that depends that which patient is suitable for the affordable IVF and which patient is suitable for the conventional IVF. If you start early, then you have got more eggs, so there are chances that you land up more in affordable IVF cycles rather than going for those cycles in which we will have to give you a lot of injections because your egg reserve is only low, or the sperm also comes very low, so we have to go for ICSI and microfluidics and other parameters. So there are still ways. If we address the issue early, then we can definitely close it and give you an affordable IVF cost, and so that you can become parents as soon as possible. We care about you.